Traders, you are highly welcome in my channel, and I'm happy to be back. Okay, yeah, to be back to give you new content. Yes, how have you been? I'm good. What I have today for you is different way to trade forex. There are several ways we can trade forex, but some people may not know about it. Most people only know forex trading, as in trading forex pairs. Not only that, trading forex pairs are the only ways of trading, no, but there are also types of forex trading. That is what we are going to see today, and one of them we have spot market. In spot market, currencies are traded immediately or on the spot, just as the name states, using the current market price. What's awesome about this market is its simplicity. What makes it simple is its liquidity, tight spread, and round the clock operation. It is very easy to participate in this market since account can be opened with as little as $25. Aside from that, most brokers usually also provide charts, news, and research for free. Because forex is very good, most traders come up with a number of different ways to invest or speculate in currencies. Among these, the most popular ones are spot market, futures, and options, and also exchange traded fund. And then the second ones we have future. These are just contracts to buy or sell assets at a specific price on a future date. That's actually why it is called a future. Actually, it was created by Chicago Mercantile Exchange way back in 1972, when bell bottom and platform boots were still in style. Since future contracts are standardized and traded through a centralized exchange, the market is very transparent and well regulated. This means that the price and transaction information are readily available. The third one we have option. Yeah, all those are types of forex trading. An option is a financial instrument that gives the buyers the right or the option, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price on the option's expiration date. If a trader sold an option, then he or she would be obliged to buy or sell an asset at a specific price at expiration date, just like futures. Options are also traded on an exchange such as Chicago Board Options Exchange, the Institutional Securities Exchange, or the Philadelphia Stock Exchange. However, the disadvantages in trading forex option is that the market hours are limited for a certain option and liquidity is not great as future or spot market. On the other hand, we also have exchange traded fund. Exchange traded funds are the youngest member of the forex world. Exchange traded funds could contain assets of stocks combined with some currencies, allowing the traders to diversify with different assets. These are created by financial institutions and can be traded like stocks through an exchange. Also, like forex options. The limitation of trading exchange traded fund is that the market is not open 24 hours. Also, since the exchange traded fund contains stocks, these are subject to trading commissions and other transaction costs. That is it, traders. In case you have liked my content, remember to subscribe, like, and then share, and I'll be able to see you in the next video.